How many push-ups do you really need to build muscle? Hint, it's not 100 a day. Let's cut through the confusion. When it comes to building muscle with push-ups, most people fall into one of two traps. Either they do too little and never see real progress, or they go overboard, cranking out hundreds of reps every day, thinking more equals better. But here's the truth, you don't need to do 100 push-ups a day to build muscle. You just need the right amount, done the right way, consistently. In the next few minutes, we'll break down exactly how push-ups help you build muscle, how many you should be doing based on your fitness level, why proper form and recovery matter more than your total rep count, and how to actually make progress week after week. How push-ups build muscle. Every time you push your body off the ground, you're not just doing a rep, you're sending a signal to your muscles. Push-ups activate your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. That movement causes tiny micro tears in your muscle fibers, and that's a good thing because your body responds to those micro tears with a process called muscle hypertrophy, repairing the damage and rebuilding the muscle fibers bigger and stronger. But this only happens if you challenge your muscles enough, not too little, not too much, and give them the right conditions to grow. How many push-ups should you do? So let's answer the big question. How many push-ups should you really be doing daily to see gains? First, find your push-up max. How many clean, controlled push-ups you can do in a row with perfect form. Not rushed, not sloppy. Then follow this guide. If your max is under 25 reps, aim for 50 to 75 push-ups per day, broken into 2 to 3 sets. If your max is between 25 and 50 reps, do 75 to 150 push-ups daily, spread across 3 to 4 sets. If your max is over 50 reps, you can handle 150 to 250 push-ups a day in 4+ sets. But don't stop there. You need progressive overload, the key to muscle growth. That means each week you should either add 5 to 10 more reps total or shorten your rest time between sets. Your body adapts fast, and if you're not increasing the challenge, you're not growing. Perfect form greater than big numbers. Here's the truth. 100 sloppy push-ups won't build you the chest or arms you want, but 10 perfect push-ups done right, that's where the real gains begin. Here's a 3-step form checklist to make every push-up count. Keep your core tight. Your abs should feel braced, like you're about to get punched. Maintain a straight line from your head to your heels. No sagging hips or arched back. Hand and elbow position matters. Hands just outside shoulder width, elbows at a 45-degree angle to your body. Good form doesn't just prevent injury, it maximizes muscle activation, helping you get more out of fewer reps. How to level up your push-ups. Once regular push-ups start feeling too easy, don't just increase reps. Instead, challenge your muscles with progressive variations that target different areas and fiber types. Decline push-ups. Elevate your feet to shift the load onto your upper chest and shoulders. Diamond push-ups. Place your hands together under your chest to fire up your triceps. Plyometric push-ups. Explosive push-ups that activate fast-twitch muscle fibers and build power. These variations keep your body guessing, break plateaus, and stimulate new muscle growth. Why recovery is just as important. Here's something most people overlook. Muscles don't grow during the workout. They grow during recovery. If you're doing high volume push-up sessions every day without rest, you're risking burnout, injury, and stalled progress. After an intense push-up workout, give your muscles 48 to 72 hours to recover. That's when the magic happens. When your body repairs and grows stronger, try alternating heavy and light days, or keep it simple with 3 to 4 focused sessions per week. And on your off days, don't just sit around, do active recovery. Go for a walk, stretch, do some mobility work. Your recovery routine is just as important as your training routine. The real answer. So, how many push-ups do you really need to build muscle? Just enough to challenge your body, done with flawless form, progressively increased over time, and backed by smart recovery. Don't chase big numbers for ego. Chase better reps, smarter plans, and steady, sustainable gains. Because that's how you build a strong muscular body, one push-up at a time.